Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back for our second HALLOWEEK tutorial. Today I'm going to turn myself into a pumpkin patch. This was again inspired by the same girl that I did my Marceline based off of yesterday. So I am going to start off with my Morphe 3502 palette. I am going in with the lightest shade in the palette, which is called Universal, and I'm putting that all over my lid just to set that. And then I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper and making a nice big wing. You could really do whatever you want for your eyes. I wanted to keep them kind of dramatic, but you could totally do no liner. You could do all orange. You could do any kind of color that you want. If you want to do green, I think that would be really cool too. Next, I'm going back into my Morphe palette in the shade Ablaze, and I'm going to just take a slanted brush and I'm just going to kind of bring that on my lower lash line and right underneath the wing. I'm just going to take a slightly bigger, fluffier brush and I'm just going to use that. It's totally clean and I'm just going to buff that out a little bit to make it a little smokier. I'm just cleaning up any fallout that we have right here, and next I am going to go with a black eyeliner pencil and just trace my upper waterline and a little bit of my lower waterline as well. And then after that I'm just going to go back in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. That's my favorite one at the moment after I curl my lashes, and I'm just going to coat them, and then later on I will put on false lashes. I did more of a natural pair this time around just because I wanted the focus to be on the pumpkin freckles. So for the pumpkins, I'm just going in with a flat shader brush, and I'm going back in with that shade Ablaze from that Morphe palette, and I'm literally just using the shape of the brush to create the shape of the pumpkins, and I'm just doing that all over my face wherever I want them to be. I'm doing them a little bit diagonal, some straight, some a little more crooked. I'm doing them on my nose, all that fun stuff. So that's where I'm starting off with this. Super easy, super simple. also I'm totally watching Black Lightning while I'm doing this, which is why I keep looking away from the camera because I am watching TV as I film this tutorial.
Everybody wants something, but I only need nothing but you. Every day they keep searching, but I know I have found the truth. Everything seems to be broken, no more words to be spoken. Everywhere someone's crying, but I only keep trying to get closer to you. Can't you see that life is hard? We can smile, but people die. You know the whole world just apart. It could be yours, but now it's mine.
So now I'm going into the shades Terracotta and Brick on a small angled brush, and I'm just trying to make a little bit of a definition and try to give it that pumpkin roundness to it using the darker shades. And then off camera I also went in a little bit with the shade Rich, which is a brown shade, and added that to that combination as well.
If you think you got something, you may really have nothing but yourself. Can't you see that life is hard? We can smile while people die. You know the whole world just apart. It could be yours, but now it's mine.
I also use that shade Rich to make the little stems on my pumpkins, and you see me doing that really quick too. You could even use a brown eyeliner if you want to, if you feel more comfortable than that. I just really like the way this shadow looked. And then I go back in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner, and I kind of just trace along the stems and create the little lines in the pumpkin to give it more of a defined shape. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. I also think it would be really cute if you trace the whole pumpkin outlined in black too, but that's totally up to you. And then after that, I'm gonna go into the shade Fire. No, I'm sorry, I'm gonna go in the shade Sauce, and I'm gonna just put that right in the middle of the pumpkins. It's a shimmery orange shade, just to give it a little bit of a highlight and a little bit of a definition, a little bit of a contrast there. I also bring that shade a little bit to that orange underneath my eyeliner, just a tiny bit, nothing too crazy. For the lips, I'm just going in with the L'Oreal Paris Color Rich Matte Lip Liner in the shade Mastermind in number 112. And then after that, I wanted it to be just slightly more orange, so I went in with the ColourPop Lippy Stick, the Matte X formula in the shade Ziggy, and I put that in the center of my lips and kind of just tapped it around. And that is going to finish this look. I finished it off with some Too Faced Hangover Setting Spray, but other than that, it is completely done. I'm super excited. I love this look. This is great if you don't like to dress up or if you have a work party or anything like that. I actually wore this to work right after this and I got so many compliments on it. So until my next tutorial, guys, I will see you super soon. Have a great day. Stay golden. Bye. Don't forget to follow me. The links to the makeup that I used and my social media platforms are down below. I'll see you later. Bye.